Well, this is the way it looked like in July. They had filled out the frame and started storing away stuff. But now that the bees are letting all the drones die, we're going to do some tests. And I know this is the more pleasant way to check for mites. But here's the results. The tan hive, 213 drones, 59 mites, and a disgusting mess. And with the shaking with the soap water, the tree hive, 160 bees and 0 mites. And we had a helper in the background. She's actually waiting for the dead bees. She liked them. And in order to clean up this frame, I did a little extra washing with the water. Kind of help those dead bodies float out of there. Make sure nothing's going to start to ferment and rot while we store them away for winter. They actually seem to do a pretty good job. A gentle shake. It's amazing how heavy they are when they're full of water. And the frames are kind of flopsy, so you gotta kind of support them in the middle so they don't fall apart. And there she goes. She's ready for storage. We'll put this away and let the bees fill it up again next year.